Hello there, and welcome to another in a series of Glenside Public Library's Quick Tips. My name is Jim, and today we're going to be talking about cloud storage, what it is, how to use it. We can store our files locally on our computer's hard drive, on removable media like flash drives, or in the cloud using one of these services or some others. Today, we're going to talk about using Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. Now, it's important to understand that when we talk about saving to the cloud, all we mean is that our files are stored on a server somewhere that's attached to the internet and managed by one of these companies. Let's start by taking a look at Google Drive. Here I'm signed into my account on Google Chrome. Now I could go to my Gmail, or if I want to go directly to Google Drive, there's an Apps button right here. I click, choose Drive, and this opens all of my remote storage, all of my Google Drive storage. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to choose Job Search, a folder that I've created that has some old letters and an old copy of my resume. If I want to, I can go to my resume, right-click, I can download a copy, I can open it in Google Docs, I can share it with others. I can also import it directly into my Gmail to send it. If I double-click, it automatically opens in Google Docs for editing. When I'm done, I just close the tab and any updates are automatically saved by Google Drive. Simple as that. If I want to email my resume to someone, all I have to do is compose a new message, go down to the bottom, and where it says Insert Files Using Drive, I click. I find my job search folder, my resume, and insert, and my email message will include a link to the file on my drive. Here I'm logged into Microsoft Edge browser, and I'm in Outlook email using my Windows email account. There's an app launcher up here. It looks very similar to the one in Gmail. I click and open OneDrive. Once again, I see a listing of files. I go to Documents. I say I've got a few in here. Once again, if I right-click, I can open an Excel online, open in desktop Excel, this particular one. I can share, download, etc. If I click once, it opens up the spreadsheet in Excel online. So even if I don't have desktop in Excel, I can do some editing. And when I'm done, it will still be saved in my OneDrive. Once again, if I want to send an email from my Outlook account and I want to attach that file, I go down here where it says Attach, and if I click this drop down, I'm going to browse cloud locations, Documents, my spreadsheet, Next. I can share it as a personal link, much as we did in the Gmail example, or I can attach a copy which users can download. Click Send, and I'm done. Thank you for watching.